Hey guys, collectability 96 here, again with a quick Yu-Gi-Oh pack opening. This time we got just three packs of the Order of Chaos, first edition. So yeah, let's see what we could pull here, hopefully something good. Alright, got Primordial Soup, Evotile Plural, Counterforce, Revolt, a rare Dark Blade, the Captain of the Evil World. Cool. Oh, awesome! Got a ultra rare Wind Up Carrier Zen Mighty. That is awesome. First pack, just out of 3 packs, got an ultra. Awesome. Alright, got Dark Mambly, Splash Capture, and Degen Force. Yep. Alright, second pack. I'm already pretty good right now with what I got from the first one. Pretty worth the money. Zen Maelstrom, Full Force Strike, Inzektor Giga Revo, Galaxy Storm, Photon Lizard, rare, Photon Trident, Inzektor Centipede, Photon Crusher, and Air Armor Ninja. Alright, the last pack. Evosaur Terias, Armor Ninjutsu Art of Freezing, Evotile Plural again, Galaxy Storm, a rare Shrine of Mist Valley, and there Photon Trident, Darkland, nice, Mask Ninja Ibisu, and a Kolo Koala. Alright, cool. And yeah, that's all from the 3 packs. Just as a recap. Wait, did I? So the 3 I got Shrine of the Mist Valley, Photon Lizard, Dark Blade, the Captain of the Evil World, and a ultra rare Wind Up Carrier Zen Mighty. All first edition. So if you saw any cards you liked, send me a message on YouTube here and we could work out a deal, or you could check out my YouTube page, collect_ability. There is a little thing with my eBay account though, is that you can only find it on ebay.ca and I can't have an international shipping option. So if you find a card that you can't get from me on eBay, then just send me a message here on YouTube, probably easier. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you guys later.